Praise God for this wonderful, great day. 6th year Thanksgiving Day. Mountain movers, keep on going, trusting the Lord. Keep on going, serving the Lord faithfully. Kamusta na kayo dyan? Excited ba kayong lahat to celebrate Jesus this day? Praise God! He who began a good work in you will be faithful to complete it. Yung maganda at dakilang bagay na ginawa ng Diyos sa inyong mga buhay ay lulubusin niya hanggang sa kanyang muling pagbabalik upang ang bawat isa sa atin ay kapilingin niya sa kanyang buhay na walang hanggan. Naglaan siya ng mga dakilang bagay sa bawat isa sa atin. Kaya keep on serving the Lord faithfully and please Him in everything that you're doing. Give Him glory and honor. Praise God.
Hello everyone. Happy and victorious anniversary, Mountain Movers. Greater things ahead. And God bless you all.